This is just a quick lecture to show you how to change the color of the background. Now, what am I talking by changing the color of the background? If you take a look at the app, you see that it's blue here, right? And the whole blue is the background color. And whenever you go to different screens, you will have other colors as well. And that's what we want to change here. Now, I'm going to click on plus, and as you can see, it's a different color. And I will show you how to access these. Alright, so inside of the change me.swift, you have the color here. Now, this is some of the background color, and this is 111, which is white, but this doesn't affect all the screens. If you want to see the other screens, you have to go inside of the message stickers co-op. Inside, there is a main interface.storyboard. Once you click there, you will see a bunch of different screens, and in these screens we want to change the background color. So select the screen, and whenever you select a screen, you see that the main view gets selected. And once you have that, go to the inspector tab. That's the one in the center. And by the way, if you do not see this tab, you need to bring the panel here, okay, on the top right corner, and change the background here from any color. You can switch and have a different color this way. Alright, and we can keep on doing the same for the other screens. So for the objects, we can select the object cell as a tint, change the tint, and the object outline, change the tint as well. And then the collection view, locate the background and change it as well. And we can keep on going. Here is the prompt, so we can change the main view. Alright, so select the background. As you can see, I'm just changing them all so that you guys can see it better. Stack view, same thing, we're going to change the tint. Alright, so I'm just working with the background and the tint. Then the last view is this one, which is the completed object. We'll look at the main view and change the background to this orange color. And sticker view, we change the tint as well. Okay, so now if I press play and run that, we will see the changes that I just made. Now, this might not be the color that you want to go with, and that's totally okay. It's just for the sake of learning. If you want to have it white or have no color, you can just always go back here and change that as well. Alright, so I'm bringing up the app. Right now it's blue, but that's the previous one, and there we go. Now it changed the color,